In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get coupons on the Alibaba app. It's a handy feature that can help you save money whenever you're shopping online. So let's dive right in and explore how easy it is to find and manage coupons. First things first, you'll need to open the Alibaba app on your mobile device. Whether you're using an Android or iOS device, make sure you have the app installed and ready to go. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and enter your credentials to gain full access to all the features. Finding your way around the app might seem overwhelming at first, but once you're in, it's all smooth sailing. Once you've successfully opened the app, direct your attention to the bottom navigation menu and look for the section labelled My Alibaba. You'll want to tap on that option to proceed further. This particular section works like your personal hub on the app, where you can manage everything related to your account, including your orders, messages, and settings. It's an essential area for personalizing your Alibaba experience, so knowing your way around here can be immensely helpful. Now that you're in My Alibaba, look for the option that says Coupons and Credit. Tapping this option will take you to a dedicated section where you can access all your coupons. Think of this as your digital wallet for saving money. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of any available coupons that you haven't used yet. These could range from discounts on certain products to percentage off deals that make a big difference when you're checking out. Additionally, within this section, you'll also see a tab for used and expired coupons. While expired coupons might not be useful anymore, keeping track of them can give you insight into your past savings and help you understand your shopping habits better. You can quickly check which ones you've used and recall the discounts you enjoyed on previous purchases. The used coupon section might occasionally serve as a reminder to check for similar deals in the future, especially if you tend to buy certain products regularly. Navigating Alibaba's coupon system becomes straightforward once you've got this process down. Knowing where to find and manage your coupons ensures you never miss out on potential savings whenever you're browsing or shopping for something specific. It's worth taking a few extra minutes occasionally to check this section, especially if you're planning a big order or just casually window shopping. The discounts can add up in a big way, and that's it. By following these simple steps, you're now equipped to find and manage your coupons on Alibaba like a pro. If saving money gets you excited, and let's be honest, who doesn't love a good deal? Make it a habit to regularly explore this feature. Happy shopping, and may your digital couponing journey lead you to some fantastic deals.